We can use AutoCAD Plant 3D to take an existing pipe support, and then with the help of an AutoCAD solid, we can kind of customize it. Let's take a look at what we're talking about. If we go ahead and go to pipe supports, in our pipe support panel, we'll create one, and we'll choose a dummy leg. We'll go ahead and we'll filter out to our dummy legs from our dummy legs and general supports, and we'll find this dummy leg. We'll say OK to that. We'll use our nearest snap to go ahead and snap onto that center line. I want to put that about 10 feet from the end, and I'll accept that. Did not mean to get two of those there, so I'm just going to get rid of take one of those out. There we go. Let's go ahead and rotate this part. We'll bring it down to 90 degrees. Now we have it in the place that we want. What I want to do is put a little round base on it. So I'll just use my circle command, regular AutoCAD command there. I should be able to find an end point at the end of here, and I have. I'll go ahead and give that, we'll put that in at about an 18-inch radius, and then we'll use our extrude command to build some material. We'll pick the circle, select it, and make it an inch thick. And now we have a base on here. But you can still tell that we have one support and one 3D solid. So let's go back up to our pipe supports panel. And right here we'll have a section where we can attach a support. You can use plant pipe support attach or just use this tool right here. We're prompted to pick a pipe support and the object we'd like to attach to it. Right click, and now the whole thing is a pipe support wherever we select it. Now, if you come to decide that you only want the dummy leg without the base on it, well then we can do the opposite function, which is detach support. We pick the support that has the attached object, and now you'll see you're back to a 3D solid and one dummy leg.